G'day guys, Alfie here. This is a quick tutorial to show you how to create world templates. So this will allow you to have what I would probably say is a clean version of the world each time you launch it. So like the Minecraft tutorial that's in the world templates, every time you start that you get a fresh one, and then you get a fresh copy in your world saves folder that you have worked in. So for example, if this was the world I wanted, I'd finish off all the building and everything. You can see I've been playing around with quadratics. I would set the world spawn, so basically get everything set up exactly how you want it to be. Clear your inventory, make sure everything's right, and then you just save and quit. Once that's done, you export the world. So I'm going to export it as quadratics. It's already been exported, yeah, that's fine. And we will leave Minecraft open for now there. But if I now go to my documents folder and I find quadratics, quadratics.mcworld, rename that to .zip and extract it. Okay, and I'll show you what the world templates should look like. So this is what the world template's on the left here, and the one I just exported is on the right here. And you can see there's very little difference. Okay, the big change is in this guy here. Okay, we also have text here, but I think that auto generates. I'm actually just going to take this manifest.json file, and if I open that up for you now, this is all it is. Okay, so it has UUIDs, which you will need to change. It has a description, a name, and who authored it, and a URL. Okay, I need to go through and change the URL and all of these now that I've seen that. But anyway, so what we're going to do is I'm going to copy that manifest.json file, okay, and I'll put a link to a blank one of these or a template one of these in the video description. So now if I open that one with Notepad++, okay, and this is not switched on Minecraft activity 1, this is quadratics, so we're just going to change the name. Description, quadratics, name, I can't type today, quadratics, and this is where you need to get new UUIDs. I use UUIDgenerator.net, make sure we've got a fresh one of them, click copy, change that one, and then there's a second one down here. So if we go back to UUID, change that, get another one, place that here. Authors, Dead Victoria didn't do it this time, it was just all me. And I'm going to change that. I don't know where these show up. So we'll have a look. All right, so once we've made those changes to the manifest.json file, just save them. And now you just compress all of this, all right, and call it quadratics. But instead of MC world, changing that, we're going to go MC template. Okay, and now if I double click that, it should come into Minecraft and say import started. And successfully imported. So now when I go play, I've got the world there, but if I go into create new, there's actually a template here called quadratics. So every time I click on that, okay, it's actually starting a new world. So if I hit create and I make changes in here, right, and I save and quit, those changes have been made in this world, but I can always create a brand new fresh copy of that world anytime I want from the template. So this is useful if you've got a map that kids are going to go into quite regularly and they need it fresh. So some examples of of what I would use this for is if we were doing some sort of problem solving task and kids failed at some point and they had to restart, so they just relaunch the world. So you can see there's none of those stair blocks are here, but they are back in this world here. So all this allows you to do is have basically, without having to download a fresh copy every time, a world that the kids or yourself can load a fresh copy for each class. All right, so I hope that helps, and happy Minecrafting. See ya. Actually, before I go, there's no way to delete templates. You can't remove them from within game that I've been able to find. Maybe here. World templates, there you go. So you can. So if you want to delete it, you can delete it from here. Okay. Say as you're trying to find it in files, but you can just delete it from storage and then delete that template file and it will no longer be in my way. So if I go back into here, create new, that template is now gone. Okay, so that's how you get rid of them if you want to get rid of them. Updating them is another story. You probably safest bet is to delete them and then load them in again or import them again. Okay, now really going. Happy Minecrafting and see you next time.